The world is changing. It becomes volatile, complicated, unstructured with a lot of information, devices, demanding customers. Market leaders are adopting new strategies to attract customers and to boost financial result. Compared with the Industrial Revolution, this change is happening 10 times faster and 300 times the scale. As per MIT's Loan Management Review, companies with 50 or more % of their revenue from digital ecosystems will achieve 32 higher revenue growth and 27 higher profit margins. The potential economic impact of the IoT by 2025 is $11 trillion. CFO is the part of this new digital world. As per value proposition canvas model, the finance function is an important part in creating the value for the whole enterprise, as well as driver of innovations. Finance should provide business with reliable data, as well as provide the digitized scenarios. It is a new age where CFOs are challenged to create significantly more business value and do it much more efficiently with less resources, provide real-time insights into costs and revenues, proactively advise on investments, and do it across the whole enterprise. Do you want to survive in this world, stay competitive and win? Or do you want to be acquired or disappear? If you want to win, you need to transform your enterprise and its financial function by embracing and developing innovations. You need to become the intelligent enterprise. As our benchmarking study shows, 89% of organizations are focusing on digital transformation as part of their strategy. But only 6% of organizations are aggressive and disruptive in the use of digital technologies. What does it mean to transform, and how to transform towards the intelligent enterprise? Our answer to win the competition is to use SAP Leonardo, our digital innovation system that enables you to rapidly innovate and scale that innovation to redefine your business model, business process for the new world. It brings together technology and processes, helps to rapidly adopt new business models and capabilities and add future technologies as they emerge. It intelligently, simple, and in real time connects people, things, and businesses, and is fully integrated with SAP applications. Originally, SAP Leonardo was introduced as our brand for IoT innovation. Now, we have extended it further to go beyond Internet of Things, extended with machine learning, with blockchain, with big data, with data intelligence, and with analytics. The Internet of Things is a network of physical objects, vehicles, machines, home appliances that use sensors to connect and exchange data over Internet. This data you can collect and analyze via SAP Cloud Platform using Leonardo IoT Foundation and IoT Edge technology. On top of that, we have the IoT solutions for each IoT needs, such as connected products, assets, fleet, infrastructure, markets, and people. They are applications that are supported by the underlying Leonardo technologies. Why is it important? Modern world is the world of things. According to Gartner, 20 billion smart devices will be connected to the IoT by 2020. As CFO, this technology will enable you to save costs. For example, for a large grocery chain, capital savings amounted to €7 million. For a drilling company, the annual savings were €235,000. The modern world is the world of connected things. Our solution provides an end-to-end view for the following connected things: products, assets, fleet, infrastructure, markets, and people. It represents things to connect with people and processes for newer outcome. Each connected subcategory is an applications view that is supported by Leonardo technologies. When combined with other solutions, it enables end-to-end processes. Connected product solutions range from connected coffee makers to connected containers. Connected assets are the solutions for high-value, long-lived equipment. For any assets that move, like trucks, ships, and construction equipment, we have connected fleet solutions. For software networks, power grids, and buildings, the solution is connected infrastructure. Connected markets is the solution for activities that involve physical space, from retail centers to cities. Connected people are solutions focused on improving work, life, and health. This is an asset analytics dashboard which gives a comprehensive overview of all assets in your responsibility. You can also see smart insights. For example, theft is the highest contributor of all number of alerts. Here we can see Walmart, the most critical location out of other locations, which has highest number of critical assets. Now your account manager wants to increase the sales of beverages and he navigates to the machine learning dashboard. He knows that the sales is directly proportional to the door open. He sees that the top 3 influences are the device, battery level, and temperature. He notes that the device location represented by the latitude don't influence door open count. He clearly identifies the bottom 3 devices from the chart. Next, he wants to see how door open count is affected by temperature and battery levels for the bottom 3 devices. He notices that an increase in battery level results in a proportional increase in door open count. This is expected. However, a small decrease in temperature results in a large increase in door open count. He can now see a possible way to increase door open count by decreasing temperature by a small amount for the bottom 3 devices. Now let's see another technologies used by Leonardo. Blockchain is the most recent technology, a reliable, difficult-to-hack record of transactions based on distributed ledger technology. You can embed blockchain into your applications to speed up the transactions and to increase trust, visibility, and security. This technology is important for CFO because it allows to reduce the time for the work that is now performed by humans and have access to the trustworthy information. Just imagine that you can manage your lease agreements using smart contracts. The key terms of the agreement are recorded on the blockchain, and this becomes the smart contract. The smart contract initiates payment of security deposit or advance rent either through Bitcoin wallets or bank accounts using a payment interface. The lessor then transfers the possession of the property to the lessee. The transaction agreement is officially recorded. Automated payments and cash flow management can also be implemented using smart contract. As several payments and transactions are recorded on the blockchain, along with the digital identities of individuals, properties, and organizations, the lessor can perform real-time data analysis using appropriate analytics tools. Why to use blockchain? 90% of major banks in North America and Europe are exploring this technology. 83% of life science leaders expect blockchain will be adopted within the next 5 years. Let's dive into the smart city. The economy performance indicates how developed the city is. Smart economy is mainly talking about cities' economy's performance, including all primary economic index. Fixed asset and real estate session is analyzing fixed asset investment. It is composed of construction project investment, real estate investment, and farmers investment. Capital sources shows capital sources of fixed asset investment, composed by asset types, real estate, and construction project. Building composition analyzes the floor space by different usage type, building type, etc. Real estate development includes the construction of real estate and trade by building type. Real estate influence analysis provides a strong what-if analysis function on the average selling prices. The city's real estate prices is a complex outcome influenced by a lot of factors. The parameters listed here gives a reference of how multiple factors interact with each other to acquire an outcome. Because product life cycles are shrinking, companies are managing ever-growing streams of data. The customers are demanding product individualization. You need to place today's highly configurable, endlessly customizable, increasingly connected product at the center of your operations. And your financial strategy needs to support this. And you also need to manage, process, and analyze this big data and even combine it with your transactional data. For CFO, it will give an access to the data from different sources and influence decision-making. And you also need to provide financial data for these operations and to analyze them. It allows you to discover and leverage the hidden value in your data for business impact. SAP Data Intelligence monetizes your data and potentially creates new revenue streams by offering data as a service to customers, which includes creating the ecosystem, connecting the data and extracting the insights. Just imagine your finance department can be a profit center selling data insights and advices on financial strategy. Organizations need to turn data into meaningful insights, improve decision-making, and take immediate actions. SAP Analytics provides all the analytical, including reporting, analysis, dashboards, and applications, advanced analytics, and planning and consolidation. We provide real-time business intelligence, improved business planning capabilities, and predictive business insights. This technology is important for CFO because it gives valuable insights into costs and profits and allows to find out trends. Machine learning teaches computers how to perform tasks by learning from big amount of data. CFO can benefit from Leonardo Foundation in machine learning in all areas of financials, accounting, treasury, operations, risks, and profitability. This technology is important for CFO because it has an enormous potential to use past data and to teach machines to work and let humans do analytical job. SAP Machine Learning includes document, time series, and image services with a conversational user interface and is integrated into the service ticketing, cash application, and fraud management applications. Leonardo offers solution for effective processing of incoming invoices from suppliers. With SAP Accounts Payable solution, you can not only recognize the scans, but also find the relevant purchasing documents in the system and posting the invoices automatically. Another relevant topic in this area is automatically classifying the supply invoice as relevant to local taxation or not. This classification can be done based on many factors available in the system and in the invoice. With standard cash application solution, you can match incoming payments with the invoice. Apart from standard solution, you can build your own different models like prediction when the client will pay, prediction if the customer will pay in the next weeks, month, etc. Examples from one of our customers: if a company spend €1 for processing the incoming incident of the first line of support, then by multiplying you will get the amount you can save. Smart Intelligence Ticketing App is SAP standard solution to solve the task. Imagine that now we know how much you will earn at the end of the period. Predictive closing will give you the time to take measures to impact this result. Here you can automate single steps like GRIR monitor or the whole closing process till calculation of the financial result. You can use machine learning to forecast the liquidity. Smart liquidity planning is aimed to forecast the liquidity based on many factors, like payment behavior of the customer, market prices, information on customer rating from Spark system. You can forecast the cash flow even if you don't have any documents in your business system. With Leonardo, you can create different scenarios to manage your liquidity efficiently. As well, you can develop your own models. For example, with SAP Leonardo, you can solve such tasks as to propose you the house bank account from which you can pay to the suppliers. The benefits for you as CFO is that you know how much money the company has at every moment, and you can manage your deposits efficiently. Digital platform is the foundation of SAP Leonardo. Through this platform, you can connect to sensors for any other assets, process data of any kind, merging it with transactional data, geospatial services, and other data from social media. Then you can feed this data into your analytics. SAP Leonardo encompasses all the technologies that you need to build your own applications, to extend the existing applications without changing your core system, and to integrate with any other applications. By integrating the cloud platform with analytical applications, you can consolidate data from IoT assets, access the information on almost every mobile device, and deliver datasets in a secure way. You can reduce your time to market by shorter development cycles and less efforts. The flexibility of this digital platform is its core advantage. For C4, digital platform allows to get meaningful insights from the data while accessing it from any device and anywhere. You can build and deploy applications with a cloud-based IoT platform. Its value is in low TCO because you don't pay for the infrastructure and you don't need to own the hardware. Instead of this, you pay the subscription fee and have access to all services that you need. You pay only for what you use. No upfront investment is needed from your side. This cloud infrastructure is always up to date, and you always can benefit from latest innovations that you could use very promptly. Moreover, this infrastructure is scalable and highly secure. The releases are issued regularly, and you don't have to care about timely updates. They run automatically and in such way that your code is not touched. For CFO, this means low costs. As per our digital readiness assessment survey, shows that organizations that leverage cloud computing achieve 49% higher operating margin. SAP Leonardo encompasses all the technologies needed to enhance existing applications, create new applications from scratch, and leverage off-the-shelf applications. You can use Leonardo machine learning foundations, for example, to enhance the liquidity planning application. Let us imagine you want to add some field to your internal analysis of the liquidity planning. You can do this very easily with Cloud Platform. Whatever you decide to use, you can do this with our Cloud Platform and win. In this scenario, you're looking at a utilities company and their infrastructure. The grid is clustered into multiple geographical regions. A chart for each region shows the aggregated energy level in relation to the maximum output. Here you can see the current status of all wind power stations in the grid. Information on the right automatically updates with aggregation information on the currently selected region. System shows notifications of abnormal data detection. Here you can see that efficiency of this group is rated with just over 50%. The pop-up shows potential indicators for a predicted problem. Here you can find a prediction for the near future. In 1 week, the turbine will be broken. Here you can select a contractor for a preventive maintenance and date when you schedule a repair. The maintenance order is automatically created and being sent to your system. So, let us look at the customer engagement process. At the beginning of the journey, we are doing a qualification with the management to make sure that the solutions are aligned with the management strategy. In the Explorer phase, that is 1 day of design thinking workshop, we better understand customer needs and choose the right use case to develop. At these steps, we will need the organization commitment and availability of the required resources. Then we have 2 ways for Leonardo innovation services. The express way is a quick innovation path. When using the Fitted Industry Accelerator, we can use our experience to reduce the effort in next phases. This provides us an 80% of already matched solution, while the delivery phase is done by 6 weeks in order to fit the use case to the specific needs. If there isn't any accelerator already available, then we can leverage our open innovation path, leveraging our design thinking services to explore, discover, and deploy prototype, technical blueprint, and the business case. This phase is a customer-dedicated use case scenario, includes deep dive engagement in innovation, and it lasts 9 weeks or more. The deliverables from these tracks is a working POC of the chosen business solution. We conduct design thinking workshop during the Explore phase. The purpose is to understand the customer needs in digital innovation use case and determine the best fit for the customer for the next steps, path for express innovation or path for the open innovation. This workshop consists of 3 phases: discover, design, and deliver, and allows create real problem-solving solutions. During design thinking, we use scenes, that is a tool and method to create storyboards fast, collaboratively, and iteratively.
These are the whiteboard sketches that we produced as output of a design thinking session. When prototyping, these images can be dropped directly into Build. The sketches can be reordered. Now, draw hotspots and navigation directly on the thumbnails to make your prototype interactive. The prototype is ready. Now on our way to validate this design with users.
Accelerators are bundles of software with a service component that address common use cases of a particular industry. Using them, you can complete up to 80% of your processes, and the rest 20% can be defined during engagement process. There are 10 industry accelerators available today. Industry accelerators include the products to cover the whole process, not just a function of it. Each industry accelerator is a fixed price solution with a predefined bill of materials that includes annual cloud subscription licenses and services. Each fixed price accelerator brings together SAP's industry expertise, software, and design thinking to rapidly go from brainstorming to blueprint with 8 weeks. Travel and Transportation Accelerator allows companies to control and monitor the complete supply and delivery chain. These companies are facing such challenges like increasingly complex supply networks with the need to coordinate logistic flows across multiple suppliers. They need to ensure on-time availability and tracking. Their customers demanding on-time delivery to the desired location. This accelerator allows reduce the logistics costs, improve on-time delivery rate, and increase customer satisfaction. Why you need to choose us? SAP has supported the digitalization of business processes for more than 45 years of history, and we have expertise through our business suite solutions across 25 industries, and we are the only company that is relevant part of any transformation. We can do the end-to-end transformation, taking the whole process and innovate with you. Our flexible technical capabilities and expertise across 350,000 customers and 76% of the world's transactions allow us to succeed in this journey. Our SAP benchmarking shows that only 9% of finance organizations perform real-time what-if analysis to test the impact of changes before committing to plans. Only 16% of companies are able to update forecasts, conduct simulations at the required frequency. Only 18% are able to provide management real-time and granular insight into daily sales outstanding. This is the potential where SAP Leonardo can open opportunities. SAP Leonardo delivers new capabilities using new technologies. It is built on in-memory database HANA to support business in real time. Plus, it works seamlessly with every SAP application from Ariba to S4HANA, making them more powerful and intelligent. Our customer success stories show that you can achieve 40% time saving in generation of financial reports. You can calculate salary 10 times faster. You can reduce the work for finance department by 50%, and you can spend only 1 day to close the financial books. Do you want to start tomorrow? I propose we have an executive meeting where we can share the success stories of our customers. We are ready to conduct an on-site design thinking session with you where we will present Leonardo and generate ideas together with you. From your side, we will need the project manager and the users involved, and let us agree on the date. We can also calculate the business case using our value engineering tools and come back with the results to you. Thank you for your time, and we are open to support you in your digital transformation journey using our powerful innovation system, Leonardo.